Hello, my name is Kevin Lad. My roll number is 393. My division is D. My college is SDJN International College. FI become SEM 1. Today's my topic is formal and informal email. What is the purpose for writing formal email and informal email? First we see formal email. Business and important messages. The purpose is to send important and business messages, response to queries, sales and marketing responses. While in informal mail, the purpose is just to communicate it or to message for having an informal meeting. They can be solicited, however, mostly they are unsolicited. Difference is business formal mail is for business and informal mail is just for informal meeting. Second, what is the audience in formal mail or in informal mail? Identify identify the audience is the most critical part of the email dependent on the target audience. The target audience is work college colleges and business clients. In formal mail, the target audience is usually friends and family. In so difference is formal mail is the part of the email and the target audience is like the top level management, and informal the target audience is usually friends and family. What is the style and accuracy for formal mail or informal mail? Formal mail professionally formatted, used for paragraphs. The accuracy in spelling, punctuation and grammar is required. Example: thank you for your response. Informal mail free from any style, normally very small messages are sent through such emails. The grammar and punctuation doesn't matter a lot. Example: thanks for your email. What is the difference between formal mail and informal mail? The difference is uh, informal informal is very small and it is doesn't require any style, it doesn't require any grammar and punctuation, but formal mail is the very formatted, use paragraphs, accuracy in spelling, punctuation and grammar is required. What is the opening and closing for formal mail? Informal mail. Formal mail, there is a proper beginning and ending pattern. Example like dear sir, madam in beginning and your respectively in ending. Message is short, courteously and with a reference where applicable. Closing with a courteous line and with signature of the sender. Contraction cannot be used in formal mail. As such, no pattern required. Opening informally with hey or hello. Closing with first name or initialis contraction can be used. How are you? Where are you? Difference is formal starting with dear sir, madam and ending with your respectively, but informal starting with hey, hello and closing with no name, no contracts can be used, and the informal closing with a courteous line and with signature of the standard. So thank you. This was the presentation about formal and informal email. So thank you.